Well, hello and welcome to your new home, located right where suburbia meets rural living. I'm going to take you in and show you this 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with over 3,000 square feet. And I'm going to show you some features that you probably can see on the MLS and maybe some you won't. Come on in and let's see. Here we are. Inside this spacious 3,000 square foot home, I'm going to walk you through and point out 3 of my favorite features inside this home. So follow me through and let's see what we got. I'm going to slide right into the kitchen with real cherry wood floors. Oh, don't mind me. I'll be right here in my office, privately tucked away in a corner of the house. Perfect for that work from home life. Join me upstairs on the 2nd floor in this giant flex space, ideal for anybody who just needs a little extra room. Massive master bedroom with my most favorite feature of the house, a fireplace in the master. We are in a corner lot with yard space big enough for a water feature and a garden space. Grill masters, we got that here for you too. And your 4-legged creatures can run around in a fully fenced yard. You know what they say, location, location, location. Well, right here, where suburbia meets rural living, all you DIYers, we've got Home Depot less than 2 minutes away. You like to come home and have a glass of wine? Well, guess what? Your farm shed with a tasting room is just a 2-minute drive. Thank you for joining me on another tour. We are at 9204 226th Avenue East, right here in Buckley. For more information on this property, go to linneacarver.com.